Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use PayPal Credit at Walmart. Whether you are shopping in store or online, I will walk you through every step to make the most of your PayPal Credit. Um, so let's get started. Currently, Walmart does not accept direct PayPal Credit payments in store, but there are a few workarounds you can see. So let's break them down. If you are shopping online at Walmart, you can use your PayPal credit like this. Add your item to Walmart cart, then go to checkout and select PayPal as your payment method. Log into your PayPal account. Choose the PayPal credit as your preferred payment option. Complete your purchase. Your PayPal credit will be applied, and you will get flexibility to pay later. For in-store shopping, you have a couple of options. First option is PayPal debit or prepaid card. Request a PayPal debit card or PayPal prepaid Mastercard through your PayPal account. Link your PayPal credit as the primary funding source. Use the card like a regular debit or credit card at Walmart. Second option is PayPal to Cash App or Apple Pay. Transfer funds from your PayPal credit to a linked Cash App or Apple Pay account. Use the corresponding card or mobile wallet for in-store purchases. Another way to use PayPal Credit in store is through the PayPal QR code feature. Open the PayPal app on your phone, tap Scan Pay and select Show to Pay. Choose PayPal Credit as your funding source. Scan the QR code at the Walmart checkout counter. It's a quick and secure way to use your credit line without a physical card. And that's it. Now you know how to use PayPal Credit in Walmart. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.